All right, good folks. This is Jer from All In. You may know me as FF Mose. You may know me as Dennis Pondman, but I am indeed often the voice on the podcast or the Twitter Spaces, and we just had one here, the 888 Twitter Space, and this giveaway is for the live listeners to see who gets entered into the finals for this 6-trait Hellduck. Now, what we said was we are going to allow the live listeners that interacted with this tweet right here a double shot. So we're actually pulling 4 names, but your name can be drawn twice. We have done 1 name thus far, and now we are going to draw name number 2. I've already got everything loaded up. Here we go. Oh dear. Give me half a second then. I'm not sure what happened there. Let's go back. Let's grab this. Again, you might see there was 55 tweets, but well, maybe that'll change. I don't know. When I originally recorded it was recording as 51. So those at the very end didn't get in, I don't believe. Nonetheless, here we go. Let's try this again. Backspace. There it is. Start. Okay, there are the names. You should, the 51, again, when we ran the competition. I think people have done it after the spaces stopped, but nonetheless, you should be able to see your name in there, hopefully, unless you tweeted out super, super late and were one of those 4. I'm not sure, but nonetheless, here you are. So, here we go. Settings, 1 of 1. We are calling this live 2 of 4, so this is our second video. Second name being drawn. Let's go. Jace, 444. You are in the running, my good friend. So, thank you very much. We're going to continue to do these videos. Ultimately, we're going to get 4 names drawn from the live listeners, and then we're going to get 2 names drawn from the recorded listeners. If you're a live listener, you can get your name in there twice. Recorded, only once. And the contest stops the 15th at 8 p.m. And we're going to hopefully announce the next day, the 16th. All right, guys. Take care. This is Jer from the All In for NFT show.